Let's say Seema is a student and she's having all her family expenses burden on herself, and she had to carry them forward. She had to take care for their basic need plus for their happiness. And some rich people, quotations, just brainwashed her thoroughly about that money cannot buy happiness, or money is just a materialistic thing, or money is just unfulfilling desire. And she got like less motivated, or she felt like okay, money is not that much important, money is just a materialistic thing that I'm seeking for. Normal basic necessities तो ऐसे वैसे 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 भी मिल सकती हैं, and like महीने का 2 या 5 हज़ार कमाने से my life will be sorted because I will just give food to my family and food to myself and just 4 कदम आगे पीछे जाके घूम लूँगी and that will be my sorted life. She thought that because those rich people who are already have everything and manipulating everything to each and every person that money cannot buy this, money cannot buy that, it's just undesirable money and इतना पीछे नहीं भागना चाहिए money के. They are living their life. They have access to everything. They have access to the most natural thing that we don't have. दुनिया देखने का जो दुनिया देखने का हक सबको है, but we, the people who don't have money to pay for the tickets for visiting the mountains, जो कि naturally present है at this earth at this moment, हम वो सीख नहीं कर सकते. Why? Because we don't have money. And why did we don't have money? Because those people who are charging us for it, they brainwash us to work. And basically, Seema left with nothing but laziness, procrastination, unmotivated. Seema, then watch this video up till the end, and you will get to one conclusion that money can buy happiness. Let's start. ठीक है. So अब इस पूरी स्टोरी में ना you will thinking about that what is the conclusion of the Seema story, what this girl is trying to say us through this story. I'm trying to tell you is that guys, that suppose I need a pen of paper, I can't, I need something to explain this to you because कई बार मेरे पास शब्द कम पड़ जाते हैं, but the topic I really want to explain you is very powerful, so I want you to listen carefully and see me carefully. See, let me take my camera first. Listen guys, this is you, okay, or maybe you can say this is Seema. Let's suppose it's Seema. Seema got manipulated कि money is nothing, it's just a desire, right? It's just a desire, it's just a फालतू फंडे की चीज़. So basically एक इंसान की दो ही ख्वाहिशें होती हैं. First, basic need, and second, the ultimate happiness that they want to, like beyond basic need, right? You can say, right? Beyond basic needs, short form में लिख लिया, ठीक है. तो होगा ये that Seema will only attract for her basic need without appealing and taking any efforts and action towards her beyond basic needs. And what I mean by this is beyond basic need, it's not about having cars, not about having a big homes, not about roaming around a big cars and roaming around in big hotels and making online videos and posting online selfies that hey, I just bought a new car from a actual wealthy person. Did you know about the word wealthy? Wealthy is a kind of a word which is only significantly used for the people who use the money in the best way they can. The best way they can. They help other people. They also provide themselves. They also use that money for their extra happiness, just to explore the world, just to charity. People who are wise, who are calm, who carry the best way they can, and they know how to handle money and they know the importance of money. If you want to know about money, go and read the Psychology of Money. I'm currently reading it. I didn't get of it. I'm at the 5th chapter, but I'm slowly reading it because I want to understand the concept deeply inside as I can. Okay, now first point is what is money? Basically, she's always I got you. Money. What is money? Okay, so money is something that is a tool. Okay, is a tool. Nothing more, nothing less. It's just a tool. It's a tool. Is a system that human create. ये तो होगी scientific definition. I just wrote my own definition, my own money definition, which is very simple and I think you can understand it. It's a key to your access towards the need you want for yourself and to be happy. So it's a chabi of like you will take it in a door and the door will open towards your happiness and all the needs that you want in your life, and there is nothing going wrong and there is nothing which is stopping you for doing whatever you want to do. You are not seeing the price tag before buying a good clothes for yourself because you actually deserve it. Okay, you're not worrying about your parents if they get sick. So who's gonna pay my bills? Who's gonna pay the hospital bills? You know who's gonna pay the hospital bills, and it's you because you have enough money to charge it. Okay, you are like, okay, I don't care, whatever money you want, I will give you, but please take care of my parents. That is money, guys. That is money. Just think about it. If 8 point something billion people will think like this, there will be no poor people on this earth. Everyone are happy. Everyone are getting everything what they want, and the economy will run faster and everything get better at the same time. But see what type people who can't get it ruins the world. So this was my definition of money. And now moving to our second point, which is you explain me money and explain me what is happiness. How I can define that this is happiness. Maybe buying a red t-shirt for my birthday party could be happiness for me. And that's it. Maybe having a short hair, just like me, it's a happiness for me. That's it. Drinking a good water is happiness for me. Eating a good food is happiness for me. So what is exactly happiness means to me and to you, and the basic meaning of happiness, what it is. So basically, let me tell you, happiness has no exact meaning or exact definition. But what I can explain you is that to my most ever is if you are thinking about those people who smile all the time, who have that fake smile on their faces, don't thinking silly guys, they are not happy, they are depressed. They're just faking it. So happiness does not come from a smiley face. I can sit all the time being a smile on my face, and you can never detect that I'm sad from inside. Do you? No. So basically, so let me clear you is that happiness is not about smile. It's not about constant excitement. So what it is about then? Okay, let me clear you is but a state of inner peace and satisfaction where your basic need are met and your mind is not a survival mode. Like अगर सीमा की हम बात करें, if I'm taking the note of सीमा, then she is not in a survival mode. कि मुझे मेरे घर के लिए खाना चाहिए, मुझे मेरे घर के लिए पानी चाहिए, मुझे मेरे घर के लिए कपड़े चाहिए, राइट? अगर if she is in a survival mode, then you cannot ask her for अरे गोवा की ट्रिप नहीं बनाई आपने, बाहर नहीं जा रही इस वीकेंड, everyone are going for it. It's good for your health, it's good for healing your aura, it's good for healing your brain. She will like shut up your mouth. I'm struggling with basic needs in my family and you're talking about the Goa trip. Are you crazy? Like, are you out of your mind? That's what exactly I'm talking about, girls. That's what exactly I'm talking about. Is that survival mode में जो बंदा होता है ना, they're not even thinking about happiness edge. They're in a constant worrying कि कहाँ से लाऊं मैं मेरे लिए कपड़े, कहाँ से लाऊं मैं पानी, कहाँ से लाऊं खाना. It's just like, oh my god, जब तो काम करना था तब तो मैंने किया नहीं. Because happiness you can not buy happiness. Money is a desire. Oh my god, मैं तो मेरे साथ तो fraud हो गया यार. Oh my god, मैं क्या करूं? See, it's too late now. But it's never too late to start again. So start again. Rebuild yourself. Start working on yourself. Start finding the ways from where you can earn more income. Right? Start using this, the brain you have, this. This is not for having the hair and straightening it all the time. This is given to you just to use it. So use it, use it, use it, use it, use it. Multiple times I wanted to say that use it to get your highest position. Know how to upskill your income, know how to upskill your money, because honestly speaking, no relative, no family member, no sibling, no friend will give you the respect that you deserve until they will find that, oh my god, you are in a shit position, oh my god, she has so much money in her bank account and maybe she will benefit us, so let me be being friendly with her. I just hate those people. I just hate it. अगर सीमा के पास जीरो इनकम है, अगर सीमा barely अपने बेसिक नीड्स उठा पा रही है, नो हर फैमिली मेंबर विल केम टू हेल्प. पर मैंने एक बार भी ये नहीं बोला दैट हर फैमिली मेंबर विल हेल्प. व्हाई? वो क्यों करेंगे हेल्प? सीमा इज अ शिट. सीमा खुद को कुछ नहीं दे पा रही है, वो फैमिलीज को क्या देगी यार? I'm not honestly speaking. I will tap her back and tell her that it's okay to be like this and you will start again. But ठीक है यार, लोग नहीं करते. Oh, I've seen it. People say you on your face that you are fake. People say you on your face that you are miserable. People say it on your face that you are a lost person. You are a person who always seek for money because you are a poor. So in short, if I can say that happiness starts with safety, the basic needs. The basic need: food, shelter, health, education, and security for sure. जब आपकी ये 5 चीज़ पूरी हो जाती है, when Seema is good for this, then she will move to the Goa trip. Are you getting my point? Yes, you are getting. So basically, अब अगर हम और ज़्यादा अलग चीज़ में जाएं, अगर हम जाएं to the third point, that okay, what is the conclusion? Money पढ़ लिया, happiness पढ़ लिया. Now combining this both together, that money how is equals to happiness. So it's अभी तक समझ आ गया होगा, but let me clear it. That money is equals to happiness. How? That see money when you have to buy something, suppose you want to purchase this specs because you cannot see the because you cannot see through the distance, so you have to pay a charge for it. No one is going to give you for free because you have problem. If you want to tie up your hair, such a smallest thing, if you want to tie up your hair, you have to pay for it. Even अगर इसकी कीमत suppose 50 पैसा है or 1 rupees है, you have to pay for it because it's charge. It's not free. If you want a pouch for yourself to carry your things inside, you need money. You need money. If you want a pen and paper to study, you need money. Suppose 1 रुपए का होगा, suppose 5 रुपए का, suppose 5 का आता है, 5 रुपए का है, you have to pay 6 rupees to get it for one time. So सोचो अगर 1 महीने के लिए चाहिए तो कितना पैसा डालना पड़ेगा, right? Getting my point. Having an endless desire for money is not, it's not abnormal. It's not a wrong thing. You're on the right track, bro. You're on the right track. The person who is distracting you from there, they are the wrong person. Get them out anyway. So chasing money, then basically एक loop बनेगा. You want to buy something, money चाहिए. So what you are going to do next step is chasing money. So chasing money में जब आप लग जाएंगे, then you will have money. Once you chase money, you have money. There is no if or but. If you want money, you will get it. If you start working hard for it. चेज मनी आप कैसे करोगे? स्टार्ट वर्किंग हार्ड फॉर इट. एंड स्टार्ट वर्किंग हार्ड फॉर इट डजंट मीन दैट यू विल ओनली वर्किंग हार्ड, क्योंकि वर्किंग हार्ड तो एक किसान भी करता है, वर्किंग हार्ड तो एक जो कंस्ट्रक्शन में काम कर रहा होता है मजदूर वो भी करता है. ऑलवेज सी अ मजदूर देयर विद देयर छोटे छोटे बच्चे, वो भी काम करा रहे होते हैं एंड दे आर barely having the basic necessities. So basically hard work is not the thing. Working smartly is the thing, and hard work and smartly should be combined together. You cannot only be smart and not working enough. You cannot not only be working enough and not be smart enough. So आपको टाइम बैलेंस करना आना चाहिए वगैरह वगैरह, बहुत सारे एस्पेक्ट्स हैं. तो आप यूट्यूब पे वीडियो देख सकते हो. आई एम नॉट अ ज्ञानी. आई जस्ट वांटेड टू क्लीन इट अप. So you can use YouTube as a source to know about how to manage it, because I'm also in a process. I'm also learning. I'm also on a journey. So I cannot say you कि आप ये करो you will get this. आप ये करो you will get this, because I'm also on a journey ना. I didn't get that till now. अगर कभी in future touch wood अगर if I get everything, I will definitely share it with you all guys so that you can access it too. So basically chase मनी के बाद, वर्किंग हार्ड के बाद आपके पास अल्टीमेटली पैसा आ जाता है. You know how to manage it because you are working smartly. So at the end आपके पास इतना इनफ अमाउंट ऑफ मनी होता है दैट यू कैन बाई योर प्रोवाइड्स, यू कैन ऑल्सो गो टू अ गोवा ट्रिप. गोवा ट्रिप काफ़ी अच्छा एग्जाम्पल हो गया, गोवा ट्रिप, राइट? So now you having a balance of both, and also you're charitating to people who are not able to get it. Charitating in a sense that आप उन्हें educate कर रहे हो and then वो आगे जाके अपने लिए खुद चीज़ें build कर रहे हैं जैसे आपने करी. So it's cycle. It's such a good cycle that carrying on and passing on, so that the richer not getting more richer, the poor is not getting more poor. ये जो है इसको यहाँ लाना है. It should be this equal. Okay. So hope you will love this video. Hope you get something from this video, and I work so hard. So please leave a like and also subscribe to my channel. I never said that before in my any video. Openly subscribe my channel, but I thought because मुझे लगा इसको पसंद आएगा तो मैं do it. But I thought maybe until someone is speaking shamelessly. So let me tell you frankly that please subscribe that because it's free. I'm not charging you for it. And also comment, because by commenting through communication, through leaving your ideas there, it will brought up different people mindset and even mine. I love to listen different ideas and different perspective. So hope so you just love this video, and thank you so much for watching this. I will meet you in my next episode. I will make different episodes of this. So it's the first episode, and I will break the second lie of money in my next video. So stay tuned and stay healthy. Bye.